Okie dokie. So, Sunshine, please come up. So let's do this very quickly. So I'm not going to talk about Standard Bank. I think you all know about us. We won a couple of rewards recently, and we have some of our competitors in the room, some of our partners in the room, and we have many customers in the room. Where are some of our customers? Where are some of our customers? Where is Mahoba Logistics? Ah, right here. Ah, you're an awesome customer, and we love having you here, showing and displaying best practice. Fabulous. And then there's more in the room, more customers in the room. Where's the other customers in the room? Where's Tokozani? There we go. See, we don't just talk it, we walk it, we make it happen. We are the bank that goes on a Saturday morning. The first time I ever met Sunshine, on a Saturday morning at some little house, middle of nowhere, and he wouldn't hardly talk to me, took me to some little site, middle of nowhere, and he had 6 trucks. 6 old Skoro trucks. And he told the bank, he's going to finance me. And you know what he tells everyone now? He says the bank refused me. He tells everyone the bank refused me. How can you say that, Sunshine?
But it's true.
But it's true. That was then. And we sat on a Saturday and we went through all of these things. We went to your depot, we looked at those old trucks. And I said, Sunshine, what we can do, some of those old 6 trucks, we fix them up a little bit, sell all of them, and then we use that as a deposit. And today, Namhlanje, how many trucks do you think he has? Now remember, 6 years ago, 6 trucks. How many Namhlanje? How many? Take a guess in the room.
76.
Who do that? Olga, you were listening, good. Yeah, so I think the short version is Sunshine was busy making money, talking to customers, so he couldn't be here, and his team made a good effort at presenting what they do, but it has to come from the soul. So I'm giving up my slot for my customer to tell you about how they started. It's more effective coming from the person who made it happen. With our support, of course. All yours.
Good morning or good afternoon.
Now you have to speak louder.
Good morning or good afternoon.
There we go.
My name is Sunshine. My company is called African Link Transport. What Kate just said now is true. The bank doesn't know you if you don't know them. The bank will know you when you know the bank. The 6 trucks, what he's talking about, it was a scrap trucks. When you fix it, and you end up being a road. When I approached the bank, I did the truck, they said, no, we don't know you. It's true they didn't know me. Because the trucks I was buying at the scrap, repaired it, back to the road. I was looking whoever that's got a small truck but doesn't know how to use it, and I would fix it and I put it on the road. So when Katie came to my company, requesting that I need to finance the trucks, when they said to me they don't have to finance because they don't know me, they said to me, let's pick up the truck and let's sell it, then buy new trucks. Today the bank, they are the one that's calling me. I don't go to the bank and ask them, hey, I want to finance the truck. No, they said, Sunshine, please come to finance the trucks. That's how it is. So guys, how I started, I was a beggar on the street. How many of you throwing the bones in the dustbin? How many of you? I think everybody here sitting here, when you eat, you throw it on the dustbin. In other words, that bones you're not throwing it, you're giving someone else who was like me. So please eat a good meat. That's how I'm coming from. So guys, think of these people on the road. I mean on the farm, I mean on the dustbin, on the street. If you got something to do now, please call kids here. Tomorrow they will be here. Tomorrow we support the same thing. Tomorrow we support the same RTMS. That's how I'm coming from. Today I'm running 70 trucks from 1.
76.
Sorry, 76. Actually, it was supposed to be 78. 2 were bent down 3 weeks ago, but now 76 remaining. So what I'm saying, help another people for it to help yourself. Thank you. I'll be short.
Okay. That's pretty powerful from Young Sunshine, and he also has a farm with lots of live cattle who become big cattle, and I don't eat them, so shame. But yeah, he runs a good operation, and I think what is exciting is that whether you've got 10 trucks or whether you've got 76 trucks, you can compete head to head with the best that there is. And I think that's important. So, just very quickly, so I know Tokozani had some time. You really took your time this time. We're going to have to cut it short next time.
Yeah.
But I'm going to give you 2 minutes of my time. So, Thokozani is going to tell you just very briefly, just also where they come from having no trucks, and then obviously, so we are not the only bank. We invited Thokozani to the Logistics Achiever Awards, which by the way won Logics. Give them a hand. They won, what did you win? A gold.
Gold.
Gold. They won gold in the Logistics Achiever Awards. Awesome. Yes. Oh, if you want to know about that, here's the booklet. And by the way, it's only one bank partnering with this initiative. Many moods. It's all about best practice. Here's the booklet. Anyway, well done, one Logics. Well done. Okay, so Thokozani, just take them very briefly also where you were. You started with how many trucks and how many do you have today?
Okay. Thank you, Katie. I think my first congratulations goes to Shaq Sunshine. I really look up to him.
Absolutely, you should.
He's a close band of mine. I go to his side,
Yes.
we learn from him. Well, my story is not similar to Sunshine's one. My one is a little bit different. I think I'll say I've had training in logistics, so I have a degree in logistics. I've worked for Sasol, so I think that somehow gives me an upper hand. Because when it comes to rethinking or redefining our business in logistics, it makes more sense because of the exposure that I had. I know initially we used to have this thinking that the banks are not supportive, especially when you're a small business, time to play black, we throw blackness there. But having had Standard Bank on board, I must of course say that it has helped us. They've helped us from day one to align the business, have systems in place. From the days when we're invoicing using a spreadsheet to days of having systems to invoice, capture your bills, monitor and everything. Yesterday, when I woke up, I just got in approval from them for 8 PBS units, brand new Volvos that will be pulling the 50 tonners. So thanks to KP, Standard Bank actually is supportive. I don't want to waste time. He said I must have 2 minutes to talk, briefly. So the bank is supportive. They've helped us with put systems, and I'm very happy with the progress that we've made so far. You see, if you were to take New Era and compare to RTMS Valuable, you would probably find more or less the same, except the size. Obviously, they operate at a large scale, we are at a small scale. But in terms of system and compliance, our recruitment now, we have even redefined it. When you recruit drivers, it's no longer this, hey, come, we've got code 14, come and jump into the truck. Or we take someone from also them on a night transport, we don't do that. Now we've defined our processes, we've got procedures in place, and we're going to follow that. But once again, thanks to Standard Bank, they've exposed us to bigger things. And hope that next year will be actually times 2 what we are today.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you're going to enter the LA next year.
Definitely. Next year we are competing with like one Logics. They've got a challenge. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
Awesome. So what I must just name, very briefly, because now I've given up my time, is that we also have in the room ZZ2, who's also a Standard Bank customer, who won 2 platinums in a row. It's never been done before, Mike, ever. There's never been the same company 2 years in a row that won platinum at the Logistics Achiever Awards. So RTMS opens up the doors for bigger and better. And then you heard him talk about the PBS. So it's opening the door for Dr. Paul to do the presentation on performance-based standards, who, by the way, we're the only bank, we're the first bank that goes to our customers, Taba, and we say, we will finance your PBS combination units. Tell me which conversation like that happens at another finance house. I don't think so. Not going to happen. Okay, and then just finally, you heard him talk about the fleet watch, brake and tire watch. I just want to show you something. We do it, we don't talk it. Oh, we talk it after we've done it. See, one bank. Adi, what bank's on here? Next, Standard Bank. The fleet watch. So what do? And I'm one of the technical trainers as well. We jump under trailers. We make sure there's nothing slack about the slack adjusters. There's no loose wheel nuts. And we make sure that we lick the oil, sniff the diesel to make sure that the vehicles are roadworthy and that they are safe and the driver's well trained. So, see, Standard Bank, here's the t-shirt. We have it. And you can't have it. It's oh, and there's my safety jacket. How many bankers have their own safety jackets? Okay. How many? I don't think so. Don't think so. Here's my name. See? Rex, one of my colleagues, by the way. Anyway, so I think just a short version was we just wanted to demonstrate that We really are passionate about making a difference. We support best practice because we know that we drive standards, because we're the standards bank. Thank you.